Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Kia key fob. This specific video is only for the one with the switchblade. If yours doesn't have a switchblade, I've put that video link right here in that corner. First thing you're going to need is to get a 2032 battery. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description that will take you straight there. You're also going to need a small Phillips head about this size and a small to medium flat tip screwdriver. So first thing you want to do is make sure your switchblade is out. This back half will be coming off. To access it, you want to get, there's a little lip right here that I can show you pretty easily. And you just want to get in there and pry that back cover off. Now, there's 4 screws here. I've already removed 3 of them to save a little time. You definitely want to be sure that you're doing this on a surface where you're not going to lose these screws, because they're very easy to lose. So once you have those 4 screws out, go ahead and pop this back cover off. You have access to your battery, and this is where the flat tip screwdriver also comes in handy. Remove your dead battery. The new one goes in. Make sure you put it in this side first, and then clip it up underneath these 2 tabs here. This is oriented this way, so battery's shown there. Put your 4 screws in, and then clip this back on, and then you can check it real quick. Make sure you got your red light and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you put those screws in, and make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching. Take care.